Hello guys, I'm under the car and that's mean that it's time to serve the gearbox and the transmission. Already mounted the exhaust and it's time for the differential. Of course, at first I need to mount the rear beam and I think it will be very heavy because as you can see it's totally rusted and I think that all the screws and bolts will be super hard to mount. Guys, so now it's the time for the Driveshaft. I put the first gear and it's super uncomfortable here. But here is the 3 bolts that I need to unbolt. I think it will be very easy. I put the WD-40, so yeah, let's do it. So I unbolted 3 bolts from the transmission. It was very easy, they were clean, so it's okay. Now I need to unbolt the Driveshaft from the Diff, so let's see how it will go. Okay, so I put away bolts and I need to mark them. I already done this the same near the transmission, so now I need to make it here. I think it will be okay. Why I put the marker on the differential and the Driveshaft? Because when I will put it again later, the problem will be that if I will put it in the different position, it can be some kind of vibrations. So to avoid this, I need to mark them and it will be no vibrations. For sure, I need to unbolt at first brake hoses and of course the cable for the handbrakes. So first I need to put it away, this one, and yeah, then I will see how to unbolt the handbrake hose. I mounted the brakes and now I will show you how they are. Guys, it's incredible. So yeah, you can see how it's terrible. On the other part they're a little bit better, but yeah, this one it looks like didn't work. Now I need to put away the handbrake cables. They're totally rusty and I think it will be very hard, but yeah, let's check how it will go. I see that this handbrake cable, it's fixed here, so yeah, I need to take the key like this and then I will try to mount it. I've done it for this side. Now I need to do it here on the right side. From the left side, more or less it was okay. I little bit heated it with the gas, but from the right side it was the nightmare. Here is no place where you can put the key, and I used this socket. And after 20 minutes I put it away, but it was a nightmare. Everything is unbolted and now I need only to put it down the rear beam with the differential and the Driveshaft together. Very carefully, because it's very unstable position. Oh my god, it's falling. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Finally I've done it. It was about 2 days or 2.5. Cool experience, guys, cool. Now I have this one thing with the sand, and I will do it all like a new. I would like to bolt on this to put away the differential. So yeah, it's not super easy, you know. The weapon for the rusty places. You know, guys, it's super clean inside, but outside you can see how it's. The dirty from the 90s, guys. The historical dirt. The weapon number 2. Now, I think that I need to warm it up. Oh. The weapon number 3. Now it's under the floor, and what were the steps to put all this construction together? So we have 3 bolts on the transmission, 2 bolts on the middle of the draft shaft. Then we have 2 bolts on the rear beam, and of course we have 4 bolts on the differential. Don't forget to put something under the rear beam and the differential, because it's a little bit heavy and it can fall. But maybe, yeah, one day and you will do it, guys. So yeah, now I want to clean that all and make the restoration of the differential. Yeah, okay, I put it all the bolts away, and now it's not bad, guys. You can see that inside it's super clean and everything is okay. Yeah, of course it's differential. It should be, I don't know what, if it will be broken, all these parts. Yeah, it looks good, but I need to clean it outside. So anyway, I need to mount everything, put away the oil, then to put the new oil inside, and yeah, using the sandblast I will clean it. It's a very long time process, so I created for me this thing to save the sand. And yeah, now I only done the cover for the diff, and yeah, I think that I will close this area, and after the sandblasting all the details like rear beam, the exhaust, diff, I will make another series where I will put all together, all details, and mount them on the car. So see you guys, take care.